When homeowners in Fayetteville start thinking about upgrading their windows, picture windows often rise to the top of the list. These large, fixed-pane windows are designed to frame outdoor views, flood rooms with natural light, and add a modern, open feel to any space. One of the most important decisions in choosing picture windows is the material used for the frame. The right material affects durability, energy efficiency, maintenance needs, and overall appearance, especially in Fayetteville's varied climate. Below are the most common materials used for picture windows in Fayetteville homes and what makes each one a smart choice. Vinyl picture windows. Vinyl is one of the most popular window materials for Fayetteville homeowners, and for good reason. Vinyl picture windows are affordable, energy efficient, and require very little maintenance. They don't need painting or staining and resist moisture, making them ideal for homes that experience seasonal humidity and temperature changes. Vinyl frames also provide excellent insulation. Many modern vinyl picture windows are designed with multi-chamber frames that help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. For homeowners looking for a cost-effective solution that still delivers strong performance, vinyl is a dependable option. Aluminum picture windows. Aluminum picture windows are known for their strength and sleek, modern appearance. Because aluminum frames are thin yet strong, they allow for larger glass areas, perfect for homeowners who want uninterrupted views of Fayetteville's scenic surroundings. While aluminum is extremely durable and resistant to warping, it is less energy efficient than other materials unless it includes a thermal break. Newer aluminum picture windows often come with improved insulation features, making them a viable option for contemporary homes or spaces where style and visibility are top priorities. Wood picture windows. Wood picture windows offer timeless beauty and natural warmth that many Fayetteville homeowners love. Wood frames can be customized with stains or paints to match your home's interior and exterior design, making them a great choice for traditional or custom-built homes. Wood does provide good insulation, but it requires more maintenance than other materials. Regular sealing or painting is necessary to protect against moisture, insects, and weather exposure. Homeowners who value classic aesthetics and don't mind routine upkeep often find wood picture windows well worth the investment. Fiberglass picture windows. Fiberglass is becoming increasingly popular in Fayetteville homes due to its durability and energy efficiency. Fiberglass picture windows are incredibly strong and resist expansion and contraction caused by temperature changes. This stability helps maintain a tight seal around the glass, improving long-term performance. Fiberglass frames can also mimic the look of wood while offering far less maintenance. They are resistant to moisture, rot, and corrosion, making them an excellent option for homeowners who want premium performance with a clean, polished appearance. Composite picture windows. Composite picture windows combine materials such as wood fibers and polymers to create a strong, energy-efficient frame. These windows offer the visual appeal of wood with improved resistance to moisture and wear. Composite materials are designed to handle Fayetteville's seasonal weather changes without cracking or warping. For homeowners who want durability, efficiency, and attractive design all in one package, composite picture windows are a balanced and reliable choice. Choosing the right material for your Fayetteville home. The best picture window material depends on your budget, style preferences, and maintenance expectations. Vinyl works well for affordability and efficiency, aluminum suits modern designs, wood delivers classic charm, fiberglass offers long-term durability, and composite provides a versatile middle ground. By selecting the right material, picture windows can enhance your home's comfort, beauty, and value, while showcasing the best views Fayetteville has to offer.